It is definitely wet this morning, so make sure you turn your sprinklers off, make sure your windshield wipers are working because it is going to be a slow morning commute for you. As you look towards La Jolla, you can see the haziness out there, and we are seeing another round of rain roll in. So it kind of tapered off over the last 30 minutes, but a lot more rain is headed our way. So if you're traveling along the 5 from basically Orange County all the way through Del Mar, La Jolla, and down into Point Loma, you're going to be dealing with some wet roads and occasional rainfall. Inland neighborhoods, all of the roadways are wet, but it's kind of tapered off for now. As I zoom out, you can actually see, I'm going to zoom out a little bit more. You can see this rain is going to be picking up once again. So the brunt of today's storm is going to hit during the morning hours. Your afternoon and evening, we're going to see maybe a slight chance for a few showers, but this is mostly going to be a morning event. By about 11 o'clock or so, that rain is really going to be tapering off. We are tapping into an atmospheric river. You can see Hawaii down there. We're pulling in moisture all the way south of that. It's not a very deep moisture source. A lot of times when we talk about atmospheric rivers, you can get pouring rain for a very long time. This is a pretty short duration event with lighter rain. Temperatures are sitting in the 60s and 50s to start off our morning, and by this afternoon, we're actually mostly going to see 60s. So 10 News Futurecast highlighting all the rain we're seeing right now. By about 9 a.m., it is still more isolated to scattered, and then by this afternoon, maybe just a slight chance. But we'll still see those clouds sticking around, a bit brisk and breezy this afternoon. Still on track. Most of the county will get about a quarter of an inch to half an inch. Some mountain areas could get an inch of rainfall. And then we're warming up and drying out. Sunny skies over the weekend. We'll see 70s along our coastline. Next week, still some uncertainty, but now it's trending that storm system on Tuesday is going to be farther off to the east of us. If that happens, we will not get any rain, but do expect to see some gusty winds then. I'm going to continue to track that because we could easily see that change. But for right now, it is trending drier next week. 60s today, warming to the 80s by Sunday for our inland neighborhoods, while the mountain areas in the mere 50s today, bouncing into the 60s and 70s over the weekend, and then right back to the 50s on Tuesday with those gusty winds. And the desert area 70s today, 80s tomorrow, 90s on Sunday.